how do we cut all this? Two sides.
Okay, so I needed to cut 3 elements to fit under the shelf. Of course, this goes at the bottom, so we got from here. There's even a white insert in there. Easy to recognize. Are we gonna use this? Nah. We're gonna use a plumber pipe cutter. So normally you use this to cut copper tubes, but it's a breeze. Just locate the cutting wheel on the groove, put some pressure, and we start rolling. The tightness. Separating, and off we go. It's quite rough. And to finish it, a bit of the polish. That's it.